In today's video, we're going to be learning the ninja swipe. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, AJ47 Soul Mavericks crew. I do hope you've had a fantastic Christmas, however you celebrate Christmas, wherever you're from around the world. I want to give a massive shout out to all of those who have supported the channel during 2020. It's been a crazy year. I'm sure it's been a crazy year for all of you. Thank you, honestly. Once you've learnt the ninja swipe, the technique of one leg wrapping around the other, leading in the rotation, is applicable to many other different moves. So once you've learnt this, I do think this one is the easiest one to learn. You can then apply it to your other moves that you may have already. If you're new, subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like it. There's ways you can support the channel listed in the description down below. The ninja swipe is two different moves, a swiping motion and a ninja. What is a ninja? So this is a figure four, you guys know that. But if we slightly elevate it here, now that's a ninja, okay? All right, because you land, it's like a bit of magic. You land on the floor, light, like a ninja, like this, slightly elevated. And this just makes it easier for us to transition. So when we land here, right, we can either land here on the elbow or you can land here on the chest. But it just makes it really easy to transition into the rest of your breaking. First up, I have some cool little ways for you to get used to doing the ninja swipe. A lot safer, a lot easier, and you can actually use them as other moves as well. Right, I use them, you guys can use them too. We're gonna start in the back position of footwork, which is here, like so. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna extend one leg. So it's like position 4 of the 6-step, right? You can go like that, and now this leg is gonna rotate all the way around, make a figure 4 position, rotate all the way around until you land on this foot and you land on this forearm, like so. A little faster, commit to the turn. The leg should be leading the turn, but the shoulders shouldn't delay. So that means the whole flow of the rotation is constant. So if I go back to here, position 4, all the way around, you see that? And this time, I swung over. Let's do that again, but in slow speed. Again, swing that leg all the way around in a figure 4 position, commit to the rotation, push off your right hand, catch on your foot before catching on your other arm. You need to practice both sides because you just need to practice both sides. Here, same thing again, rotate the leg around, commit to the turn, land, boom, okay? Let's do that again. Same thing, around, land, okay? Your fall is broken, right? It's not heavy at all. The fall is broken by the foot landing, the hand landing, and the elbow landing. When we do the ninja swipe, we catch with both hands, the foot, and then the hand, okay? And then the elbow. You can do that from the back, but you can do it the same way as if you was gonna do it from here, okay? Just so you know, and you can mix it into your breaking, you can totally use those moves from here, 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 and here, and you have the perfect setup for them. So you have 4 options, which makes it really easy to fit it within your flow. Now, let's kind of go over the best way that I think is to learn the ninja swipe. You're gonna need a pretzel, right? An outside inwards pretzel. For me, I go counterclockwise with my footwork. My master hand is my left, so that means I'm gonna do the outside inwards with my right. That looks like this. My 6-step way is this, and then I'm gonna have a pretzel that goes like that, okay? For those of you that don't have a pretzel, it starts at the back position of footwork, like this. You place, in my case, you place the left knee down, the right leg goes all the way around. You can draw the circle. Try not to touch the floor with the foot, but if you need to, you can kind of drag a circle. When it gets to here and it starts getting tight, that's where you change hands, you change your weight, lift up, come back to here, okay? You should really have those pretzels in that on both sides. If you don't, let me know. I can make a whole tutorial on loads of pretzels for you. Although I have done so before, but it was a demonstration video, not a breakdown. The setup, I want my ninja swipe to be facing you guys. Okay, so I'm now gonna go from the front position, like this. I'm gonna extend one leg, like so, half position 0. And I'm gonna place this knee down, turning this way, and I'm gonna pretzel around. So it's gonna look like this. This way, it adds a bit of dynamics because I'm turning my back to you, and then when I ninja swipe, I'll eventually be facing you guys again. But before that, what we're gonna do is after that, we're gonna land here in this figure 4 pose like this. You can also use this as another move. Half position 0, pretzel round, lift, land, okay? Because all you have to do to complete the ninja swipe from here is continue this way, land here, like so, okay? So that means I'm not gonna land on this foot, you know? It will just go straight to here. But this is a good way to practice getting your lift. This time I'm gonna go all the way over to a ninja swipe, and I have to commit the wrap with the legs, and I have to make sure that I don't delay with my hands. I have to reach over and commit to this rotation. Here, up, over, like that. Now, I actually land really soft. I land here, slide this foot down, and break my foot, fall like this, not my foot. Don't break my foot. I break my fall by going like this. So it's actually really easy for me to do. And because of the big swing, it makes it really easy for me to fit it to music. So if there's an accent coming up, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, bam, it makes it really easy for me to hit that accent, especially if I'm freestyling my footwork, and I usually start on the 6. So for example, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Easy peasy. Please notice how my leg commits to the rotation as well as my shoulders. These are really important tools. If you don't commit to the rotation, you won't make it. And if you don't make it, you kind of fall heavy and it hurts more, okay? I would advise practicing this move on a softer floor, but once you have it on a softer floor and you have it locked in, it's really easy to do on extremely hard floors, and you shouldn't have a problem if you know exactly what you're doing. The thing I love about this technique, it makes it really easy to apply to other movements and other moves. I'm going to show you a few clips here where you can kind of see the moves that it applies to in a similar fashion. It's not exactly the same, but the technique of the actual rotation is the same. Thank you very much for watching once again, ladies and gentlemen. I do hope you've enjoyed this video as always. Subscribe if you're new, like the video if you like it, all that good stuff. More videos coming your way. Speak soon.